I swear it's herding cats. Ready? Merry Vlogmas!
Oh yeah.
Day 23 for us. Oh my gosh, 24 for you.
Yeah.
Wow, I have a whole bunch of stuff to show you guys. So we're going to do calendars first, then we have some presents to unwrap, and then I have some fabric.
I like what you're wearing, Sean.
I've
never been allowed to appear like that.
I've got a
You know, I've always been chased.
I've got a schedule to do this morning, and this is.
Well, I have a schedule as well.
I was not expecting to do this for another hour and a half, so.
Oh right.
I got called and told to come down, so
You
here
mean
I
after
am.
lunch?
Basically, yes. Right, so 23.
It's there. It's
Oh, it's right
in
at
front
the
of
top.
you. Yeah.
I was looking for the difficult one.
Easy peasy.
Ooh. They look like coconut.
Well, it's almonds, white chocolate, and I think it's got coconut sprayed on the outside.
Or it could just be, we don't know. Angela, please help.
I'll soon tell you that.
She's very good.
She is indeed.
Have I got to do some face contortions, a bit like Mum?
No, I don't think
No,
anyone can
okay.
compete with Mum.
No.
I have so few chocolates, you see.
I'm not saying a word. Coconut?
I'm not sure. I'm finding it very difficult.
Do you like it?
Well, no, it's not particularly. It's just white, cloyy chocolate.
Okay.
Not my cup of tea, this one.
Well, don't eat the rest of them.
We
then.
did really well at the beginning of the year.
Yeah, all this, oh gosh, this is the best calendar ever. There
Yeah.
had to be some duds in there, though, didn't there?
Of course.
Okay, so there's two for you to pick from. Can you see which one it is?
Well, I don't know.
Oh look, shocking.
Ah,
Give her a clue.
hey, I got a clue, it's got a number on it. Looks exciting. Yes, it's another design. Oh, it's the cushion again.
It's the
same,
cushion.
Same thing.
Exactly the same pattern, because I
Right.
bought you two of them.
Yes.
Mum's got a dark chocolate, so again
Very
I have
much.
zero hope of getting that.
Put it in there safe.
I'll put this away.
Yeah, but
Don't
zero.
Zero. Don't disappear though, because we have more presents to open.
I'm doing buttons on Dad's shirt. for
Yeah,
Christmas.
and then you can wrap it up.
What, my surprise Christmas present? I know why you do it in slow-mo. You just want to make sure you hit that thing just underneath your nose. Where is it? Oh, I'm nearly there.
Do you want to come round and no, don't go away. So, there's been a present for the two of you from the very lovely Anna.
How wonderful.
Maybe let Dad. Don't hurry.
If you
your
stop
chocolate.
your jaw moving, your teeth will actually be glued together, so you've got to keep going.
Yeah, don't hurry your chocolate.
No, I like that's Christmas,
That's very Christmassy.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
don't you think?
It's very much like
Very pretty.
the thumbnails for Anna's Vlogmas as well. She's using pretty pictures like that.
That's lovely, Anna. Thank you very much. Thank you
I
very
definitely-
much.
I definitely need new glasses.
We're
Like this
going
now.
blind.
Now, I think this one is for Dad, and I could be wrong though. I think this one's for Mum, but I could be very
Oh
wrong.
no! I know it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but Mum's feels very similar.
Oh.
Oh.
No! It's got your name on
Oh,
it.
it has got, oh, sorry, I didn't see that.
With my bad
you
eyesight.
Could just see it.
Yeah, look, there it is.
Exciting.
I'm going to second guess what this is.
I can't guess what Mum
Normally I insist on mine going under the tree, but I'm making an exception, Anna, for you. Ooh. Good grief.
Well, this is an absolute delight. You know, good job. I like all the colours.
Yeah, and you really didn't need to buy your own.
No.
We won't suffer from a lack of torpedoes, and Mum was complaining about not having enough chocolate.
I think this will keep me happy all January. Thank you very much.
Okay, so
Thank you.
Yes.
they're both giant bags of sweets.
Yeah.
And then Anna has very kindly sent me a parcel as well. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you, Anna. Very,
isn't it
very
lovely?
cute. Then I have a feeling this is going to be some kind of edible.
Very cute.
Oh yeah. Oh, You are very,
She hasn't
very
got your
kind.
favourites.
Pre-stat rose and violet creams. That's amazing. Thank
How
you
did she
ever so
know,
much.
I wonder.
Like I waffle on about it on the channel all the time, is it? And then I had some Happy Mail from Sherwood Fabrics. That is definitely purple.
Cadbury's
Yes.
purple.
And I am going to keep the other length of fabric. They offered it to me for half price. So they did say I could send it back, but it's such a perfect colour, so I thought I'd keep it. And then I have the rust. Every time. Then I have the rust colourway, 1.5 meters of this to add to the meter I already have from Higgs and Higgs. So that's going to go in the wash.
Really
so that's
pretty.
all of the post for today, which is lots of very happy mail. Although we still don't have Wilson's present from Mum and Dad. It's getting close to the wire.
Oh no.
It's alright, Dad's going to buy a reserve present, which will still be useful when he goes shopping today.
Right.
But
Oh.
yeah.
Not good.
So I am going to go back up to mine and get back on my schedule of getting ready to film all afternoon. That's it.
That's it.
That's all I need to
Brilliant.
do. Can we just do it again just to double check that I've not fluffed it up? Thank you. That's it.
Right.
That's literally it.
Okay.
Hey Peeps. Why are these always so filthy? They're probably always so filthy because I don't clean them properly. So I have just filmed all of the twirls for this little lot, and I'm now going to film my September, October, November, December lookbook. And then I'm going to see what else I can film before the light completely disappears. I had a much later start to the day than I intended to, but never mind, I've got a whole bunch of housework done and laundry and stuff like that done, which is also very noisy, so I wouldn't have been able to film during that anyway. So, and I have got tomorrow morning, I need to keep reminding myself of that. So yeah, let's get on with some filming. I'm kind of second guessing myself, but I think this is going to be, it's going to be the most lurid coat ever, but I think I'm going to love it. Hey peeps, welcome to another video. Today it is my... Hello? All my stuff? Oh, okay, thank you. But I'm in the middle of filming right now, so I'll do it a bit later. Okay, bye. Try again. She always enjoys the lookbook videos because it ends up with piles of clothes everywhere, and she's finally got her cat bed back. I don't know who I was trying to kid saying this was a coat. It's definitely a cat bed. Do we not have any icing sugar?
I've only got a little bit left.
We've got enough to make some icing. Oh dear. It's going to be a marzipan Christmas cake only. Oh dear. It'll be fine. But yes, Mum is marzipaning the Christmas cake. I have come down because I am making dinner. We're having barbecue sausage cheeseburgers with slaw and wedges, which I'm very much looking forward to. I feel like I've been just chatting all day because I've been filming all the things.
right.
So it feels like I've filmed loads for the vlog, but I don't think I have. I think I've filmed a very small amount. So today's vlog may be a short one. I do apologise. My studio light's letting me film even though the sun has gone down, which is great because I'm going to try and get one more video filmed this evening. I think what I'll do is I'll upload all the twirls and things because a lot of the videos that I want to film are going to be reliant on the twirls being done. So I think that might be what I do this evening. We'll see. We'll see. I want to try and get it all done before Wilson arrives tomorrow afternoon, but he's on the 4:30 ferry, so he probably won't get here till around about 6:15, 6:30, so I have quite a lot of time tomorrow. Although I do have a lot of Christmas cooking to do tomorrow afternoon as well. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I can't really tell under that light. I think you turn your hand the other way around. No. Yeah. Can you see? She's been playing around with gold glitter. Yes. I made a burger. It looks really good. Hopefully it tastes good. Okay, it's much later in the day. The burger was amazing. I have come back up to mine and I've been editing. It's 9 o'clock now. I have got most of today's vlog done except for this bit, and I have edited the twirls. I've edited the trick shots that I attempted today, and some of them have worked, which is good. Not quite as I had envisioned it, but still worked, so that's good. And I have decided that I'm not going to try and film anything else this evening. I have got quite a few other videos to film, but I should be able to get them done tomorrow. The longest one is going to be a year in review. The twirls at the moment are 40 minutes long. Yeah. I made a lot this year. I made 125 things in total. A lot of those were utter fails, a lot of those were experiments, a lot of those were muslins, and I have counted them all. I have got 12 of them all, and I will go through all of them in that year in review video. But yeah, it's going to be a long one, but that is going to be the longest one to film and the longest one to edit. Once I've done that one, I'll then be able to do my top 5 hits and misses. Then the other ones are going to be quite easy because one's a fabric, no, 2 are fabric hauls. Yeah, 2 are fabric hauls and 2 are reviews of patterns and a pattern and a book. So it shouldn't take me too long to get all of that filmed tomorrow. I'm gonna get up in the morning, go down and start work on Christmas dinner. I've got lots of prep to do tomorrow. I've got to get the Brussels sprouts ready, the cabbage ready, the gravy ready, which is weird because I always make gravy after the bird or the joint has been roasted. I never make gravy ahead of time, so it's going to be weird. So we're going to do both because we are roasting a turkey crown and a chicken tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Christmas Day. I'm going to do the gravy both ways because HelloFresh have sent all of the ingredients and the instructions to do gravy their way, so we're going to give it a try. Who knows which one we'll prefer? Probably the traditional way that was taught to me by my mum and by her mums and by my dad's mum, but we'll see, we'll see. I need to prep the pigs in blankets, the stuffing, the roast veg as well, and the potatoes. So I've got a lot of prep work to do tomorrow, but that will just mean that there'll be a lot less to do on Christmas Day, which will be good. I love cooking roasts, and I like to think that I'm very good at cooking roasts. When I first started cooking roast dinners, I would actually write myself out a timetable. I'd work out when I want it to be served by, I'd work out how much time I'd need to rest the meat by, and then I would work backwards for when everything needed to go into the oven so that everything was hot at the same time. And I used to have to do that every single time that I would make something because obviously different joints were different weights, so I would work it all out. But it's kind of, once you've done that a fair few times, it starts becoming second nature for when things need to go in and timings and things like that. So I stopped having to write myself actual lists. But I do have a timetable for tomorrow. HelloFresh have done that, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, I do make a good roast dinner if I say so myself, so it's going to be a fun challenge. It's going to be a fun challenge, and it means I don't have to do the washing up. I don't know if Mum is going to let us use the fancy plates, possibly, but that means more hand washing because they're not allowed to go in the dishwasher, so we shall see, we shall see. But yes, it's going to be fun. So on that note, I was worried today's vlog was going to be quite short, but I have managed to waffle at you a fair amount in between all the other bits and pieces that I've done. So I hope you've enjoyed what I have filmed today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.